In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge base in ClickUp Docs, Team Wiki 2026. We'll start right from the homepage and end with a clean, organized wiki your team can rely on. Open your browser and go to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or a connected provider. Choose whatever you normally use. The key is to sign into the workspace where your team collaborates, so you're saving everything in the right place. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp home. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is active. On the left side, look for the sidebar. Near the top you'll see spaces. Think of a space as the home for a department, project or team. That's where your knowledge base will live, so everyone in that group can access it easily. Select the space you want and open the Docs section inside it. If your team already has docs there, you can use one as a starting point for your wiki. This is useful if you're consolidating existing guides or policies. If you'd rather start fresh, create a new doc in that space. Click the plus button and choose Docs. Give the doc a clear, searchable name, something like Team Wiki or Knowledge Base, so people recognize it immediately. Inside the doc, you'll build your pages using blocks. Click the plus icon that appears when you hover or start a new line to add blocks like headings, paragraphs, checklists, tables, callouts, and more. Use headings to establish a clear hierarchy, and tables or callouts to highlight important references or policies. To speed things up, open the template options and select from Templates. Templates provide pre-built structure, so you don't have to design from scratch. This is especially helpful for wikis because consistency matters. Search for knowledge base in the template library and apply it. Review the layout, then tailor it to your team. Replace placeholder text with your processes. Define categories such as getting started, policies, how-to guides, and troubleshooting. And turn repetitive answers into concise articles. Link related pages so people can navigate quickly, and keep titles short and descriptive to improve search. As you build, keep tone and formatting consistent so contributors can add content without breaking the structure. That's it. You've set up a knowledge base in ClickUp Docs using your space, a new or existing doc, content blocks, and a knowledge base template. Keep it updated over time so it remains trustworthy, and encourage your team to contribute clear, well-formatted entries.